Hi everyone, my name is Oluwole Oladapo. I've known Shaunta Gray for a while now. I met her about 6, 7 years ago, and when I was trying to buy my first house in Chicago, and I must say it has been a wonderful experience working with her. I remember during my first house buying process when I spoke with her, she had to help me with raising my credit score because she told me how important it is with the loan I was going to get at that point. So she walked me through the process of repairing my credit score, taking off negative items, and making sure my credit was in tip-top shape, and it was easy for me to buy a house then.
Hi, I am Naaman Williams,
And I am Davita Williams.
and we are here to talk about Shaunta Gray. She is an amazing realtor.
I must agree. Not only is she an amazing realtor, she's a great advice giver and even telling you how to prepare your credit to get you ready to purchase your home. There are certain things that you need to do to get optimum buy and sell of your home, and she was able to guide me through that, and I followed every step that she told me to take, and I was able within a couple of months ready to sell and buy a home.